Installation of RailFX Cable Rail System on stairs. Please watch the entire video installation series prior to beginning. The RailFX Cable Rail System installation begins with post layout and installation. Using the supplied layout, locate the end posts, corner posts, and the posts at the top of the stairs. Set posts at the top of the stairs first, then the end and corner posts at the same distance from the edge of the deck as the posts at the top of the stairs. Make sure all end posts are between 2.5 and 3.5 inches from the house or other adjacent plane. Depending on whether the rail height on the deck is 36 inches or 42 inches, the post at the top of the stairs will have either 1 or 3 larger holes at the top of the post, so the top 1 or 3 cables can terminate and the bottom 9 cables continue down the stairs. When locating the posts at the top of the stairs, place post back from the edge of the deck so the bottom cable passes the deck edge with a 1/4 inch minimum clearance. This placement will vary depending on the angle of the stairs. If post skirts will be used, verify this clearance with the post skirts temporarily in place. Fasten the post to the deck by drilling pilot holes and then fasten with lag bolts and washers. The supplied 3/8 inch by 5 inch stainless steel lag bolts for wood are 5 inches long and are embedded 3.5 inches into solid blocking. For concrete, use 3 3/4 inch stainless steel wedge anchors. Using a level, plumb the posts in both directions using composite shims or washers. Using the same fastening procedure, install corner and end posts so they are the same distance from the edge of the deck as the stair posts. Lay out intermediate posts so there is no greater than a 5-foot span between posts. Run a string line between the end and corner posts and align intermediate posts with the string line. Verify all posts are installed plumb in both directions and install the caps on the post lag bolts. Fasten optional post skirts over the post bases. Installing stair posts. Posts at the bottom of the stairs and intermediate stair posts will need to be cut to length both top and bottom before the base plate is fastened to the posts. After locating where you want to set the posts at the bottom of the stairs, usually as close to the nose of the stair as possible, posts will need to be trimmed from the bottom so the cable will follow the slope of the stairs. This can be verified using a string line run through the bottom holes in the posts at the top and the bottom of the stairs. Be sure to account for the 3/8 inch thickness of the base plate. Install the post base plate using the 4 supplied screws and T40 bit supplied in the install kit. Plumb and fasten the post to the deck. Do not install post caps at this time. It is likely that this post will need to be removed for cutting. For intermediate posts, place the post beside the string line and line up the bottom hole. Mark and trim the bottom. Adjust the installation location laterally so the cable holes are aligned with the string line. Determine the height of the stair railing. Stair railing is usually between 34 and 36 inches. Check your local building codes. Using a string line, mark the intermediate post using a masking tape and trim at the proper height. Slide the over-the-rail fitting onto the intermediate post and fasten using the supplied screws. Trim the railing by placing it in position, laying it over the nose of the stairs and up against the top and bottom post. Mark the angle with masking tape and cut using a power miter saw. The stair railing should be continuous all the way down the stairs and is fastened on the side of the top and bottom posts and over the top of the intermediate posts. Install the connecting block to the face of the top and bottom stair posts using 2 supplied screws. Remove the exposed portion of the connecting blocks. The cable railing under the stair may need to be installed before the top rail. Slide the rail in place and fasten to the connecting blocks and to the over-the-rail fittings on the intermediate posts. bottom post will need to be trimmed to height usually between a ½ inch to 1 inch above the top rail, and then a pyramid cap will be installed to finish the top of the post. Install the top railings at the level portion of the railing. See our level installation video for detailed instructions. Top rail filler trim is then cut to fit between posts and snapped to the underside of the railing. Install cables in accordance with our level railing installation video. For 36-inch railing heights, the top cable will terminate at the top of the stairs. For 42-inch railing heights, the top 3 cables will terminate at the top of the stairs, and the remaining cables will continue down the stairs as shown. For more videos and information, visit RailFX.net.